Good morning. Oh my god, it's day one and I'm so excited. It's gonna be awesome, guys. You guys, I'm filming my documentary. I'm protecting this place. This place is gonna be protected by me. Nobody else. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. If you get what I'll do my job correctly, I'm gonna show you what will happen. Stay right there. I'll shoot you with this, and it's gonna hurt if I shoot you in the butt. It's gonna suck, you know? No, I'm Nature Natty, and I'm protecting this wildlife at all costs. No Nazi, Jew, nobody will pass here. It's gonna be sweet. Ooh, there's bird poop on that. I found my first bit of nature, and it's a caterpillar. It's awesome, and look how cute it is. It's gonna be my best friend. We're gonna tell stories to each other, talk about pussy. It's gonna be awesome. Whoa! Okay, I can't wait. We're gonna have so much fun. You guys are gonna see me protect this nature at all costs. My little buddy here, and it's gonna be so awesome. I can't explain how fucking awesome it's gonna be. Alright, guys? Ah, fuck, the little fucker bit me. Fuck. Take that, you son of a bitch. Kids, please excuse my language if you're watching, because I don't mean to put the bad language into the minds of little kids. I'm just, I was just fucked. I'm sorry again, but well, let's get on with my nature video. This is the nature I need to protect. It's gonna be awesome, and there's probably grizzly bears out here, but I'm not scared of them bastards. And it's gonna be sweet. Oh, fucking mosquitoes. And look, we got our second bit of nature here. It's a stick. A fucking stick.